What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, today I'm out here shooting a couple update videos on some of the products that I've used. Today we're going to be doing an update on the Lithium Auto Elixirs Trim Cubes. This is their graphene infused trim restoration cubes. I applied these to my Chevy Suburban November 26th. So we are approaching 3 months. I've had a lot of people asking me how they're holding up. If you haven't seen the install video of this, I will put the link to that video in the description box so you can check that video out. Installation, how I did it. And you guys, I can tell you right now, it looks like the day I applied it. And to be honest, don't judge me here, don't judge me guys, but I have not washed the truck since then. Yes, I know, shame me, smite me, almighty smiter. Yes, I know, 3 months, not one wash. What kind of detailer are you, Smurf? But you know what? Those of you guys that understand and know, I'm busy cleaning other people's cars. My cars are the ones that get neglected, except for the GSX. So yeah, don't shame me. It's not perfect. It's a truck. I wash it when I can, guys. But yeah, 3 months ago, I applied these trim cubes to the plastic on my Suburban, and they look phenomenal. So I just wanted to give you guys an update and show you, what it looks like 3 months in. And yes, I know I haven't washed it, and a lot of you guys are probably like, well, he hasn't washed it, it'll wash off. So what I'm gonna do is I have a bucket with a little bit of leftover car soap and my sponge in it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and wash it and dry it as if I was washing the truck. I don't have time to wash the truck right now, but as if I was washing the truck. Then we'll dry it and we'll see what it looks like. So 3 months in, graphene trim cubes, these things are phenomenal. Let's get out and check out the Suburban. All right, everybody, we're out on my Suburban. Once again, I have to apologize for the traffic in the back that's going by. I know I live on a busy street, but there's nothing I can do about it. So check this out, guys. Here are the plastic trim on my Suburban. Looks absolutely phenomenal. Looks just like the day I applied it, all the way around. And you can kind of see where I didn't apply the trim. You can see it under there. You can see the line right there where I didn't go all the way under the bottom. Yeah, I know. What a hack. He didn't coat all the plastic. Yeah, well, bite me. Still looks phenomenal there. Looks absolutely phenomenal all the way across. Some of you out there are probably like, if he says phenomenal one more time, I swear. It looks legit. I did the whole front, along the bottom down here. All still looks incredible. I couldn't get all the way in under the light, so there's a little spot I missed, but that's all right. Nobody's perfect. Walk around, you can see how dirty it is because it's been neglected, but still looks awesome. It looks like the day I applied it. It's still rich, it's still dark. So in here, I got my wash mitt here. So let's go ahead and rinse this off. If I could turn my hose on. This is the first time I've actually tested hydrophobics on it. There's a good shot of the bead work over here. Not bad. And mind you, I step in and out of this kind of often, getting the stuff out of the back of the truck. So I do step on it. There's no wear. I don't see any spots where it's wearing. Let's just give it a quick wash. Not going crazy here, guys. Like so. Let's rinse it off. can see, the hydrophobics, it's sheeting extremely well. Oh yeah, definitely still hydrophobic. That's good. Let's get a towel out, let's dry it off. Oh, look at that. Looks just like the day I applied it, guys. This stuff is holding up A1. A1 for sure. It looks great. So, oh yeah. All right, everybody. As you guys can see, the trim cubes are holding up flawlessly. Not 1 ounce of discoloration. And I couldn't be happier at how they're holding up. You guys let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys use these, what kind of longevity you're getting out of them. My truck sits in the sun all day, every day. So I'm blown away. They looks like the day I applied them. Fantastic product here. You guys got to go check out Lithium. Bill and Josh got some fantastic stuff over there. Not just the trim cubes, but their products are made with blood, sweat, and tears. These guys are awesome. And just to show you how awesome they are, they provided me with a discount code for all of you guys for 40% off. PS40 will get you 40% off over at Lithium's website. I'll put the description, in the description, I'll put the link to Lithium as well as the video of application that I did about 3 months ago on this stuff. This stuff is great, guys. You guys got to check it out. Super easy. I couldn't be happier. And there's not much to it. This update video, I just want to share with you guys that I did get a discount code, which is awesome. So you guys can save 40% and go get you guys some fantastic stuff over at Lithium, including these trim cubes. Because as you guys can see, it looks fantastic. Still hydrophobic, and that was the first time I ever even put water on the car. It hasn't been washed, it's dirty. Still hydrophobic. Once I washed it and dried it, it looks brand new. I mean, looks like the day I applied it. I know I said that, but I'm actually kind of in geek out mode because I've never had a trim restore work like these. So yeah, that's the Smurf update and the Smurf stamp of approval so far at the 3-month mark. The Lithium Graphene Infused Trim Cubes. Head over to their website, links in the description. Check them out, show them some love, get yourself 40% off. I appreciate each and every one of you that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. You guys are like family to me. I love engaging and interacting with you guys. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up while you're down there. Click that little notification bell. That way, when I upload more videos, product reviews, updates, full details, paint coatings, polishings, all that stuff, tips, tricks, you will get notified. So with that being said, I want to say thank you guys again. I hope you guys all out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.